Hello guys, it's me, PZ9. Guess what? I got a new mask. Yes, a new mask, baby. And I got a Imaginext Batman toy with a vehicle. I'm going to open it right now, guys. It's right here. Sorry for the mess. It's right here. There's Batman right here, has the darts, and the vehicle. Let's check them out at the box, guys. Alright, let's check out Batman first, before I check out the vehicle. Look, check him out. Batman looks kind of cool with his armor. I really love the paint. I like the logo and the cape, everything. Yeah. I'm saying, oh, I really like the Batman suit. Next is the vehicle. I really like it. But I'm here to do this. Let me put the dart. I'm using one hand. Do with me. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand. 1 minute. There you go. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Alright. I put Batman in his vehicle. And there you go. We put it right here. You shoot. Hold on, wait. I need that. I need some room. 3, 2, 1. Hit the pink one. Yeah! There you go. I really like the vehicle. I love the paint and everything. Now Batman has a motorcycle and a car, Batmobile. So yeah, I hope you love this video, guys. Sorry I had to use one hand. Yeah, I'm Batman. Alright guys, I hope you loved the video. And I might see you in the next video. This is my new mask, guys. And subscribe. And we'll see you next. This video go to PZ9 Skull Crossbones. I want to make some videos on the other channels. PZ9 Navy Blue Controller something. Alright. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Alright. Bye, guys.